Namaste. I welcome you to Bhairavi Parekh's Yogshaala.
Legs apart, palms on the blocks, and go towards your right side. अगर किसी को नी का इशू है, just go halfway, and those who can go down completely, keeping your left leg straight. Change and change. 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 Keep going. And come back. Relax, breathe nicely. Come up. Get into Kaliyasana. Open your knee. Knee and your ankle should be in the same line. Okay? Right elbow on your thigh. Try to go down. And 1. Stretch. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very gently, palms on the floor, straighten your legs. Now, those who have problem with their knee joint, sit on the chair, open your legs in the same manner and do this. Only those who have knee issue. Rest of the members, one more time. Open your legs nicely. And here you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. And palms on the floor, straighten your legs.